today's a very exciting day. It might be raining outside. I have just received a parcel from Veseys. So I thought I would share with you opening it up because I can't remember all the things I've actually ordered. So let's have a look, shall we? Now what I do know is I seem to remember ordering quite a few white things because that was, a lot of it was to do with ordering stuff for the secret garden. So let's have a look, shall we? Oh, torn that. So I've got a canna lily, Veseys canna lily, I believe. Oh, look, catalogue to try and get me to buy some new stuff. A pina colada phlox, nice. I can't remember what colour that was. Let's have a look, shall we? Veseys bulbs, phlox paniculata. So I think that could be one of the white ones, or a pinky one maybe. Phlox pina colada. I must have gone mad on the phloxes. Pina colada phlox again, so that's 3. I've gone for the old 3 routine. What's this one here? Veseys canna. Veseys canna. So these are obviously going to be for the swimming pool deck, so get a bit of glamour up there. What else we got? Ooh. And magnolia, 1 seedling. So I need to get this in some water. Oh look, it's even got 1 flower on it. If you can see there. Nice. So 1 magnolia. Pink honeysuckle, 5 plants. Oh yeah, so I want to grow a little bit of a hedge. Bit of hedge action there, so 5 plants in there. Ooh, not very big plants. What else we got? So what I think I did was I ordered 3 sets of 5 plants. So because I've got some quite long borders here, so that would be nice. We'll do a video on planting those up. 100 onion sets. There we are, some nice red onions. Mrs F would be happy with that, she likes red onions. 100 white onions. I forgot I'd actually ordered these because I just bought 100 white onions. It's like Christmas this, isn't it? Giant maiden grass, 1 plug. So that's going to go, one of those is going to go in the secret garden. Have a look. Yep, and that's the other giant maiden grass, so 1 either side. Eventually they'll get big enough to cover things. Mould on bulbs roots. Sometimes during storage and shipping, mould can form on bulbs and roots. This mould will not affect the growth and they should thrive in your garden. There we go. What else we got? Balsams hardy blackberry. Do you know, that's one of the things I miss as I've come to Canada is blackberries along the hedgerows or along the lanes in England. You would often, you know, they're a pain in the garden, but you would often have them all along the hedgerows. And one of those autumn things is always to go out blackberry picking, and you end up eating more as you go along than you have in your basket. But so a blackberry, a good addition to the veg and fruit and veg garden. Oh, here's a big one. Five plants privet. So I've got 5 privet plants there. So that'll be another part of the hedge for the secret garden. So that's good. Ooh, don't know where to put everything. Here we are. Another blackberry. Was that the same one? Nope. A couple of blackberries. And the last couple coming up. What have we got here? we have Pinky Winky hydrangea. Very nice, because I've been very conscious that I haven't got enough shrubs in the garden. So your shrubs are one of the the important things that structural plants that you should have around your garden, from which your herbaceous plants will be bouncing off, really. So that's a nice one, hydrangea. And the last one is a giant maiden grass. So there we go, 3 giant maiden grasses. I might have actually needed 4, but there we go. That's it. Quite a bit there. Definitely a Christmas birthday feel to today. Can't wait to get out there and start planting it. Hope you'll join me.
So yesterday I had the very exciting delivery of my plants parcel from Veseys, the online nursery. Came in this box. It was a variety of different things. The and magnolia, 2 sets of 5 honeysuckle, a privet hedge, 5 privet hedge, some blackberries, and various other stuff. I can't even remember what it is. Some maiden grass, etc. And the shrubs have come in wrapped in this sort of material, which is some sort of paper that's wet, and then it had plastic around that. I'm not going to be able to plant all of these shrubs, etc. today or in the next few days. So a good idea is to pot them up, or I'm going to use behind me this nursery bed. So I'm going to heel them in, and then they're there for a few days afterwards, or even a few weeks they can be. But first of all, what they do need is a good drink. So despite them actually being nice and damp in this material in their delivery, they've had a bit of a shock. The best thing to do is give them a good drink. So I'm soaking them in the privet hedge, the magnolia, etc. in a bucket of water. Give that a couple of hours, and then I'll heel them in. For the other stuff, I'm going to pot that up. I'm going to unpack it now and pot it up and see what size pots I need. So I've got the giant maiden grass here, 1 plug, or I've got 3 of them, haven't I? So let's unpack these and see how they need potting up. So a nice sturdy package. Looks like it's, there we are. This cardboard. So this cardboard, when I finish using it, that's going on the compost heap. So that's good. And what we got here then? Oh, here we are. Look, dinky little pot. And this is going to be used as a nice screening plant in my secret garden area. You wouldn't have thought it was going to be a good greening plant by the size of it, but this will soon grow up nice and sturdy. That's a small pot, but what I think I'll do is, I've got these fibre ones here, I think I'll just pot it up one more, just for a bit of it's only going to be in there a few days, maybe even a week, but give it a bit more. Yeah, that'll do. Got some potting compost. Give it a bit of bottom. Some more in there. Make sure I get rid of any of the air pockets in that. Right, so I'll do that to the other 2 and then give them a good drink as well. Okay, so the shrubs have had a bit of a good couple of hours, good 2 or 3 hours of being stuck in the bucket, so they're probably drowning now. So it'd be a good time to take them out and stick them in the nursery bed. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to plant them here. temporarily, whether it be a week or up to a month. And I'm going to prepare a shallow, an angled trench for them, so they're not going to go in upright. Let me show you. So I'm just going to dig a nice little angled trench. All the way along here. So let's just measure this for size. What have we got here? So these are the honeysuckle. So I'll just lay them in here, like so. I've got 10 of these all together, I think, these honeysuckle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, that's right. There we go. And then I'll just backfill these. Lightly tamp these in. There we go. I'll do the same on the other side here with the magnolia and the 5 privet hedges, or the 5 privet bushes that will become the hedge. So, as we said, for shallow trench, that magnolia will fit in there. Not sure about these. Like I said, these are probably only going to be in there for about a week. And then give them a good water. So there we go. Privet and magnolia on this side. There's the honeysuckle all along here. Again, they're only in temporary. I've potted up all the herbaceous plants and they're in the cold frame for a few days. Let them settle in. We don't want them, in case it goes down cold, we don't want them to be shocked even more than they have been shocked being posted across Canada. But I'm all excited to get ready to planting. Hope you'll join me for it.